Hello students, come to the class number 29. Class 29, 29th class this one. Let us will go for the some remaining 5 marks questions. So some more 5 marks questions and some CET questions. We will go for some CET questions also today. Let us see the next question. We have discussed in the last class 5 marks questions. Today also we will go for some 5 marks questions and some CET examples. Now see the students, before going to the class, I recall the formulas here once again. I recall the formulas here. Product formula first. See the product formula. I will take in terms of A and B the angles. Sin A into cos B. I will write the formula in terms of A and B. Product formula 1 by 2 sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Here I am taking in terms of A and B. Sin into cos. The formula in terms of A and B, here I am taking cos A into sin B 1 by 2 sin A plus B minus of sin A minus B. See the difference and try to remember the formula, students. Here plus and here minus. For positive, sin into cos. For negative, cos into sin. A and B are the two different angles. Next, cos A into cos B 1 by 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, cos A into cos B, sin A into sin B, sin A into sin B, minus 1 by 2 cos A plus B minus of cos A minus B, minus of cos A minus B. See the difference of these two. Cos into cos, sum of cos. A plus B, A minus B. Sin into sin, difference. Sin into sin. So these formulas only we are transformed here. A plus B as a C sin C plus A minus B as a D, A as a C plus D by 2, B as a C minus D by 2. This cross multiplication, 2 goes to this side. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. These formulas only we have transformed. These formulas here we have transformed here. Sin C plus sin D. Sin C minus sin D, this is. Sin C minus sin D. 2 times of cos, first cos then sin. First cos then sin. Cos C plus cos D, both cos cos C minus cos D, both sin with negative sign, both sin with negative sign. This is only the formula here. Cos C minus cos D, cos C plus cos D, cos C minus cos D. See both sign with negative sign, both cos. So these are the formulas here. So these are the important formulas here. Sum and difference formula. Let us say I will go for the next examples. See this one. Prove that 2 times of cos pi by 13 into cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus of cos 5 pi by 13. See the students here, 2 times of cos pi by 13 into cos 9 pi by 13 plus of cos of 3 pi by 13 plus cos of 5 pi by 13. The first term is product and these two are the sum. Now let us here you have to prove equal to 0. LHS is equal to, we are taking LHS, 2 cos pi by 13 into cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 3 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13 plus cos 5 pi by 13. This is equal to 2 into cos pi by 13 into cos 9 pi by 13. Here first I will apply, here I will apply for cos C plus cos D for these two terms. First I will apply, so this term remain as it is. Here I will apply cos C plus cos D formula. Both cos C plus D by 2 C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 C minus D by 2. Here we have applied for the last two terms the sum formula cos C plus cos D. 2 cos pi by 13 into cos 9 pi by 13 plus of simplification 2 cos, see the students here how much it is, 13 is LCM here, 8 pi by 13 divided by 2, 4 pi by 13. Is it clear? 13 is LCM here, 3 pi plus 5 pi, 8 pi. 8 pi by 13 divided by 2. Then these two, one of 2 get cancelled here. So 4 pi by 13. Similarly, 3 pi minus 5 pi minus 2 pi. Minus 2 pi by 2. Pi by 13 it is. Cos of pi by 13. Clear all of you? The simplification of C plus D by 2 and this is C minus D by 2 simplification. I think clear all of you? 3 pi plus 5 pi 8 pi by 13 divided by 2. This one of 2 one of 4 pi by 13 here remain. Here what? Minus 2 pi by 13. 13 LCM here 3 pi minus 5 pi divided by 2. This 2 to get cancelled. Minus pi by 13 remains here. Minus pi by 13 remain it is. That minus of again plus it is. But you should write it minus of pi by 13 first step. And in the next step you may write it. So 2 cos pi by 13 cos of 9 pi by 13 plus 2 cos 4 pi by 13. You know very well cos of minus theta plus cos theta. Cos of pi by 13 it is. Cos of minus theta plus cos theta. What is the common term? Cos pi by 13, cos pi by 13. This 2 and this 2 common here. 2 cos pi by 13 is the common here. Then what remain here? Cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos 4 pi by 13. Clear all of you? Cos 9 pi by 13 plus cos of 4 pi by 13 remains here. Then this is equal to 2 cos pi by 13, 2 cos pi by 13. Applying cos C plus cos D here. Applying cos C plus cos D. But product is there. We have not applied the product formula here. See here we have taken first we have applied here cos C plus cos D. In that one term, common term we get, we have taken outside. Again applying cos C plus cos D. See the students here. 2 cos C plus D by 2. 9 pi by 13 plus 4 pi by 13 divided by 2 C plus D by 2 C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D divided by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. I will remove this one. I will remove this one, friends. These formulas you know very well. Yes. Let us see the is equal to 2 cos pi by 13. Simplify this one here. 2 cos See how much it is? 13 LCM here. 13 LCM means it is 4, 9 pi plus 4 pi. 13 pi by 13. Is it pi remains only? Is it pi remains only? Pi divided by 2. Cos pi by 2. What is cos pi by 2? Cos 90 degree. Cos 90 equal to 0. The whole term becomes 0. Not necessary to simplify that remaining also. Clear all of you? See how it is. I will simplify this one. Is it clear all of you? See, 9 pi by 13 plus 4 pi by 13 divided by 2, 13 LCM, 9 pi plus 4 pi, 13 pi divided by 2. This 13 get cancelled. Pi by 2 remain. Cos of pi by 2 remain. And this also simplify here. Cos of 9 pi by 13, this should be 4 pi by 13, this is 9 pi by 13, how much it is? 13 LCM here, 5 pi by 13 divided by 26 it is, 5 pi by 26, no problem. See, 13 LCM here, 9 pi minus 4 pi divided by 2, how much it is? 5 pi by 13 divided by 2. If it is not possible, so take this 13 denominator, it becomes 26. But here, one of the term cos 90 it is, because of cos 90, this is equal to 0. Because cos pi by 2 is equal to 0, you write because of cos pi by 2. What is this? All the terms are multiples. Is it a multiple terms? So this one term is 0 it is. That 0 into anything is 0. So because of this, so this is your RHS. This is your RHS. Clear all of you? That one term is multiple of a cos 90 it is. So it becomes 0 it is. The next example, I will go for the next example. Clear all of you the students here? I hope you are getting. For the second and third term, we have applied cos C plus cos D. That first term remain as it is. That is in the form of product terms it is. Remain as it is. Then here we have applied the one term taken common. Again we have applied cos C plus cos D. After applying here one term, you get all the terms becomes multiples. That one common term, and these are the product here cos C plus cos D. So in that one of the term is a cos 90 term. Cos 90 becomes 0 it is. So therefore it becomes 0. The answer is 0 it is. The next, we'll go for the next example. Let us see the next example. Let us see the next example. Prove that. Come to the next example. See this one. Sin 3x plus sin x into sin x plus cos 3x minus cos x into cos x is equal to 0. Let us see the students this one. Sin 3x plus sin x, cos 3x minus cos x into cos x is equal to 0. You have to prove it as a 0. Let us see this one. Take LHS. Taking LHS, sin 3x plus sin x into sin x plus cos 3x minus cos x into cos x. Applying sin C plus sin D, cos C minus cos D. Simplifying here. Now let us see. First sin within the bracket, first sin, then cos C plus D by 2 into C minus D by 2, first sin, then cos, close the bracket, into the sin x plus, this is also same, cos C minus cos D, cos C minus cos D, both sign with negative sign, both sign with negative sign, both sign with negative sign, into cos x into cos x here. Simplify the students here. 2 sin 2x, 3x plus x, 4x by 2, 2x it is, into cos 3x minus x, 2x by 2, x it is, into the bracket sin x, plus minus of 2 into, or shall I take this plus minus sign, remain as it is. In the next step we'll take sin of 3x plus x. How much it is? 4x. 4x by 2, 2x it is, into sin of 3x minus x, 2x, 2x by 2, x it is, into the bracket cos x here. Now see this one, 2 sin 2x into cos x into sin x, plus minus minus 2 sin 2x sin x into cos x, that multiples here. Is it same term? 2 sin 2x cos x sin x minus 2 sin 2x sin x into cos x. Is it same term here? This is your RHS. Get cancelled it is. Is it same term? Get cancelled. Plus minus it becomes 0 here. Plus and minus it becomes 0. See the same terms. Cos x sin x here. Here sin x cos x. 2 times of sin 2x. 2 times of sin 2x. So this is equal to 0. Very simple it is. Very simple example this one. Then come to the next example. We'll go for the next example, students. Let us go for the next example, student. We'll go for the next example, students. See the next example. See this one. Prove that sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x is equal to 4 times of cos x cos 2x into sin 4x into sin of 4x. See the students here, 4 sums in the LHS and 3 products in the RHS. You have to prove it as in terms of product, these sum. Let us make sum of 2, sum of 2. That which terms you should make, that is important here. That which pair you should make. You should see your RHS here. According to that RHS, you can make the terms, arrange the terms. See, 7x plus x. How much? 8x. 8x by 2. Or you get 4x. Sin c plus sin d formula. Like that you can arrange the terms. So this is also 8x. Then one common term you will get it here. So like that you should arrange the terms here. LHS is equal to like that also you will get it, but it becomes lengthy. It is sin 7x plus sin x plus half sin 5x plus sin 3x. The LHS I have arranged like that, the students sir. That LHS I have written like that. First sin 7x plus sin x one pair and sin 5x plus sin 3x another pair. Sum of 2 terms I have done here. Sum of 2 and sum of 2. Applying sin c plus sin d. First sin, then cos c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2 plus first sin c plus d by 2 into c minus d by 2 into c minus d by 2. First sin, then cos c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2. 2 sin. See this one. How much you will get here? 7x plus x, 8x, 4x into cos 7x minus x, 6x, 3x plus 2 sin 5x plus 3x, 8x, 4x into cos 5x minus 3x. How much it is? 2x divided by 2, x it is. So what is the common term here? 2 sin 4x you will get it. What remain? cos 3x into cos 3x plus of cos of x. Cos 3x plus cos x you get here. 2 sin 4x taken common here. Cos 3x plus cos x you get here. Then apply cos c plus cos d, you will get the result here. Both cos, you need cos terms, cos products also. Cos c plus cos d, both cos. You required in terms of cos also. 2 sin 4x, cos c plus cos d, both cos. C plus d by 2. C plus d by 2 into c minus d by 2. 3x plus x by 2, 3x minus x by 2. Simplify, you will get the answer. 2 sin 4x, 2 cos, 3x plus x, 4x, 4x by 2, 2x, into cos, this is 2x, into cos, 3x minus x, 2x, 2x by 2, x it is. So this is 2 into 2, 4, sin 4x, cos 2x into cos x. See your RHS, this is products it is given in terms of first cos x, cos 2x, sin 4x, 4 remain as it is. This is your RHS students here. This is the RHS here. So arranging the terms are important here. Arranging the terms important to the students here. You may get like that also, but it becomes 1 or 2 steps, it becomes lengthy it is. Here you will get 2x, x, and here you will get 12x and x, that 1x common you will also will get it, like that also you will get it, you may get, but no problem, you may calculate like that also, no problem. So arranging the terms according to your RHS. Now come to the next example, we will go for the next example. See the next example. Come to the let us see the next example students here. Oh yes, see this one. Prove that sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x is equal to, see what you have to prove, 4 sin x into cos x by 2 into cos 3x by 2. See this one students here. Here 3 terms, sum of the 3, 1 difference term, 2 sum and 1 difference term. And you have to prove it in terms of a product of 3 terms. Product of the 3. Let us say LHS is equal to sin 3x sin 2x minus sin x. This is your LHS here. Here also I will arrange the terms here. I will not take 5x, 3x plus 2x, 5x. You no need of 5x by 2. You need of 3x by 2. So I will arrange 3x and x one side. Sin 3x you see and arrange the terms. To comfortably to prove RHS. Yes, according to that you have to arrange the terms here. Here I have taken 3x and x. One side, this sin 2x as it is, remain as it is. Sin of 2x remain as it is here. Sin c minus sin d. First cos, then sin, first cos, then sin. First cos, then sin, plus sin 2x as it is. Sin 2x as it is. Simplify that. 2 cos 2x into sin x. Shall I write this sin 2x as a, what is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta into cos theta. You may write here because of 1 of sin x is there. You want sin x also. 2 sin x into cos x. 2 sin x into cos x. This sin 2x has taken as a 2 sin x into cos x. What is the common term? 2 sin x common here. Let us take outside 2 sin x common it is. What remained? Cos 2x plus cos x. Cos 2x plus of cos x. 2 sin x taken here, common here. Cos 2x plus cos x. Cos 2x plus cos x. Let us apply cos c plus cos d. You will get in terms of both cos, and you need in terms of cos also. That 1 of sin x you have, 4 you required here, here 2 is there, one more 2, here you will get it, 2 sin x into cos c plus cos d, both cos, see 2x plus x c plus d by 2 into 2x minus x c minus d by 2, 2 sin x into 2 times of cos of 3x by 2, 2x plus x 3x by 2 into cos of 2x minus x, x by 2. See 2 into 2, 4 it is, 4 into sin x into 4 into sin x into cos 3x by 2, cos x by 2, or cos x by 2, cos 3x by 2. Product it is cos x by 2, cos 3x by 2. In terms of product it is, you may write any terms first. So this is your RHS here, this is your RHS. Just applying here the formula according to that your need. You see the RHS, like that you have to arrange. You should practice the questions. Practice is important here. You should write the question and you have to follow the steps and you have to calculate it. Practice is important here. You may calculate the number of example students here. Then only you will come to know. You should practice it. The next example, I will go for the next example. Let us see the next example. Next example, I will go for the next example. See this one, important example. Find the value of tan pi by 8. Yes, tan of pi by 8 value you have to calculate. Find the value of tan pi by 8. Let us see this one. Tan pi by 8. Pi by 8 means how much it is? Convert in terms of degree. 180 by 8. 180 by 8 means 8 2 ja 16, 2 remain, 20 it becomes, again 8 2 ja 20, sorry 8 2 ja 16, that 4 remains, 8 5 ja 40, 22.5 degree it is. 22.5 degree means 22 degree 30 minute. Directly here I am writing 0.5 degree 30 minute. 22.5 degree. 180 by 8 it is. 8 2 ja 16, 2 remain, 20 it becomes, 8 2 ja 16, 4 remains, 40 it becomes. Point I have to, that point 22.58 5 ja 40, 22.5 degree. 22.5 degree means it is 20 degree 30 minutes. 22, and you may write like that also, 22.5 degree. 22.5 degree value you have to calculate. Now solution, see the students here. We know that, let us here applying one of the formula. Tan 2x equal to, I will consider the tan 2x formula, 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Tan 2x formula here I have considered. Because of I have to calculate tan pi by 8. What do you have to calculate? Tan pi by 8. I will put x equal to pi by 8 in the above result. Because I want pi by 8. I will substitute x equal to pi by 8 in the above result. This is the tan 2x formula, you know very well. Tan 2x formula. Because I want tan pi by 8. See what it becomes. 2x it is. X equal to pi by 8 I am taking. 2 tan pi by 8 divided by 1 minus tan square of pi by 8. 1 minus tan square of pi by 8. I have taken x as a pi by 8. X as taken as a pi by 8. See how much it becomes? Tan pi by 4 it becomes. Tan pi by 4 it becomes. Then this is 2 tan pi by 8. divided by 1 minus tan square pi by 8. You need tan pi by 8 value. You know very well, tan pi by 4 is equal to how much? It is 1. Substitute tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is equal to 2 tan pi by 8. 2 tan pi by 8 divided by 1 minus tan square pi by 8. 1 minus tan square of pi by 8. Let us see cross multiplication. I will cross multiply the equation. It is cross multiply. It is 2 tan pi by 8 into 1 is equal to 1 minus tan square pi by 8. Cross multiplication it is. Taking tan square pi by 8 this side plus 2 tan pi by 8 minus of 1. Is it becomes a quadratic equation? Yes, it is a quadratic equation. In terms of tan pi by 8, is it a quadratic equation? In terms of what? Tan pi by 8. Solving this quadratic equation, you will get the value of tan pi by 8. This is what? Is it quadratic equation in terms of tan pi by 8. Let us take tan pi by 8 equal to x. Let us, you can make it a quadratic equation in terms of x. Then what it becomes? X square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Is it clear all of you? X square plus 2x minus 1. Is it in the form of, in terms of quadratic equation in terms of x it is? In terms of x it is. Let us solve for the x it is. The factors are not possible. Minus 1 it is are there. The factors are not getting, then go through the formula. What is the formula? X equal to minus b plus or minus b square. B square is 4 minus 4ac. A is 1. C is minus 1 divided by 2a. Divided by 2a. 2 into 1. What is the formula here? The quadratic equation formula, finding the roots. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4a into c divided by 2a. You know very well. Let us simplify that one. Then later you take x as a, you substitute tan pi by 8. You require tan pi by 8 value. X equal to minus 2 plus or minus 4 minus of minus plus 4. 4 into 1 4 divided by 2 into 1 2. So therefore x equal to how much you get? Minus 4 plus or minus root 8 divided by 2. Then this is minus 2 plus or minus root 8. Shall I write 2 root 2? Root 8 can be taken as a 2 root 2. Then in that this 2 get cancelled. 2 take common here. Then what it remains here? Therefore x equal to 2 taking common here. That 2 is get cancelled here. 2 taking common. Then what remain? Minus 1 plus or minus root 2. 2 taken common here, divided by 2, this get cancelled here. Therefore x is equal to what it is? Minus 1 plus or minus root 2, you get it. What is x? Substitute here x. What is x? What you have taken x? Tan pi by 8. What you have taken x? Tan pi by 8. Tan pi by 8 equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 2. Here I will separate these two values here. Therefore tan pi by 8 is equal to two values, minus 1 plus root 2 or minus 1 minus root 2. Clear all of you? Tan pi by 8 is equal to minus 1 plus root 2 and or minus 1 minus root 2. What is tan pi by 8? I have calculated. How much you get? 22.5 degree. Is it a positive? First quadrant it is 0 to 90 degree, which lies in first quadrant. Which is positive? Is it? This is the second value is negative value. It is. Is it a negative value? It is negative. So this is positive, no, root 2, 1 point something, minus 1. So are you getting the positive values? So therefore, tan pi by 8 equal to, how much it is? Root 2 I will take first, root 2 minus 1. Remember this. Tan pi by 8 value, how much it is? Root 2 minus 1. Here 2 values getting here, plus or minus. In that 1 value is negative here, neglecting, positive value considering. Because of pi by 8 is a positive angle, 22.5 degree. So it is lies in the first quadrant. So therefore positive value here, root 2 minus 1. Tan pi by 8. Tan of pi by 8 it is. Clear all of you the students here? Here we have considered the tan 2x formula. In that we have substituted x equal to pi by 8 and it becomes a quadratic equation, and we have solved the quadratic equation. Here you get the two values. In that one value considered and one value is neglecting because of this is what? So negative it becomes here. Tan 22.5 is a positive value. It should be positive here. So considering positive values. So this is the tan pi by 8 value, students. This is the tan of pi by 8 value. Next, then I will go for the next example. I will go for the next example, students. Let us see the next example. See the next example. I will go for the next example. Prove that tan pi by 4 minus a equal to, here two proofs are there. One I will calculate and one I will give homework. 1 minus tan a divided by 1 plus tan a, and tan pi by 4 plus a is equal to 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a. Let us see this one here. Prove that tan 45 minus a, tan 45 plus a, tan pi by 4 minus a, tan pi by 4 plus a. 1 minus tan a divided by 1 plus tan a. 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a. When minus minus numerator, opposite sign here. Remember these two results here. Very simple it is. I will prove first one, then calculate yourself. First one LHS. Tan of pi by 4 minus a, tan pi by 4 minus of a. Let us see the tan pi by 4 minus a. Applying here. What is tan x minus y formula? Tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. Apply this tan difference formula, sum of tan and difference of tan. Tan pi by 4 minus tan a divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan of a. Tan of pi by 4 is 1, it is tan 45 degree 1 minus tan a divided by 1 plus tan 45 degree 1 it is into tan a. This is equal to 1 minus tan a divided by 1 plus tan a. You should remember 1 minus tan a divided by 1 plus tan a means you have to take 45 minus a angle, 45 minus a. If it is plus 45 plus, here numerator positive and denominator negative, you should take 45 plus. You should take 45 plus. Make it second one yourself, the students. Let us make it second one yourself. Very simple it is. The next, using this I will go for the result. CET examples. I will go for one CET example. Second one you may calculate it. I hope you are calculate the second one. The same formula. Let us see the students here. Prove that this question was asked in the CET examination. Prove that see cos 11 degree plus sin 11 degree divided by cos 11 degree minus sin 11 degree is equal to tan 56. In terms of tan 56 you have to taking LHS. Once asked in the CET, cos 11 plus sin 11 divided by cos 11 minus of sin 11 degree. Dividing both numerator and denominator by cos 11 degree. Dividing both numerator and denominator by cos 11 degree. I will divide here cos 11. Separately I will take directly cos 11 1 it is. Sin 11 by cos 11 tan 11. I will taking directly the students here. Divided by, see what it becomes, 1 minus Sin cos 11 get cancel here, 1 minus sin 11 by cos 11, tan 11. See, that is in the form of that previous example here. What you get in the previous example? What you get in the previous example? You have the proofs there. Tan pi by 4 minus a is equal to 1 minus tan a divided by 1 plus tan a. This one I have proved. Tan pi by 4 plus a is equal to 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a. Which one you should take here? 1 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan a. Is it becomes a 45 plus a? What is a here? 11 degree, whatever it may be. So therefore, is it becomes a tan of, because of y here divided cos 11, you require in terms of tan here. So cos we have taken denominator, it becomes a tan here. So is it becomes a tan of 45 plus 11 degree, pi by 4 plus a is how much here? 11 degree. See this one, student. See this one, previous example, this one. That RHS, LHS form I have taken. 45 plus of 11 degree. So how much it becomes? Tan of 45 plus 11, 56 degree. Such questions asked in the CET examination. So many times this asked in the examination, students here. Tan of 56 degree. This is also once asked in the CET examination. So like that you may write directly it is. Similarly, tell me cos 23 degree minus sin 23 degree divided by cos 23 degree plus sin 23 degree. What it becomes? 45 minus 23. Is it clear enough? 45 minus 23. Tan of 45 minus 23. Minus here. Minus 23. How much it becomes? Tan of 22 degree. Clear all of you? Tan of 22 degree. The 4 option will be given. Like that he may give in the CET examination. So this one is the CET examples. With this I conclude the today's class, students here. I will go for some CET examples in the next class. I will conclude the today's class. Thank you, students. Thank you, dear students. Thank you.